This is about calculating the first electron affinity of chlorine, and it says construct a Born-Haber cycle and use it to calculate the first electron affinity of chlorine. And in this question, the data which you've been given is first of all the atomization energy of chlorine, then the atomization energy of magnesium, the first and second ionization energies of magnesium, the lattice energy of magnesium chloride, and the formation enthalpy of magnesium chloride. Putting the data in the question onto a Born-Haber cycle gives you this diagram here. So we have magnesium reacting with chlorine to give you magnesium chloride, and the formation enthalpy was given in the question, and so this here is the formation enthalpy of magnesium chloride forming magnesium chloride from its elements. Other data which you were given in the question was atomizing magnesium going from the solid to the gas, atomizing chlorine going from chlorine to chlorine atoms. You were also given the first and second ionization energies of magnesium to get you to magnesium 2+, but what you don't know are the energy changes going from chlorine to the chloride ions. The electron affinity is in here, and that is what's unknown. So based on this scheme, we can work out what unknown is, because the energy change going up these arrows and down that arrow is the same as the energy change going across here. So what I've written out in the line of maths are first of all these three values here, which correspond to going up to magnesium 2+ gas. These values here, which correspond from going to chlorine to 2 chloride ions, and this involves the unknown within this section, and then the lattice energy coming down the other side, and that is all equal to minus 641, the formation energy. Continuing the maths, what I've done is I've added up these values to give the 2581, and the other two values remain the same. Then I've added those two values, and to give you 55 plus unknown is minus 641. Then I've moved the 55 over to the other side, subtract 55 from both sides, which gives unknown as being minus 696. Now this is for 2 moles of Cl, because in magnesium chloride there were 2 Cls, and so the first electron affinity of chlorine is that value divided by 2, minus 348 kilojoules per mole.